Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about why you should always use a VPS, a virtual private server, because many traders still don't really know how they can set up a VPS and why it is so important to use one at all times. The first reason is, of course, reliability, because if you are running your computer 24/7 and you don't have a VPS, you have much more uncertainty, because your electricity can shut off, your internet might be not that stable. When you have a VPS, basically you have a system, a virtual private server in a good location that is running 24/7, and you don't have to worry about your trading robot running at all times, because it will. The second reason is low latency, because most of the major VPS providers offer servers that are very close to the physical location of the markets, the brokers, trading servers. So you will have a lower latency than if you are trading on your own computer most of the time. And latency is very important in trading. The third thing is security. Security is very important when you are trading a bigger account in Forex, and so if you have a VPS, you have a much higher chance to not get hacked and to ensure that your trading activities with your robots are safe. That is a really important factor as well. And the fourth thing is basically the availability to be able to trade from anywhere in the world at any time with your trading robot, even if you don't have internet, even if you are hiking, in Patagonia and you don't have any data. If you travel often, as I do, you must have VPS, because that way your robots are running even if you are not in an area where there is data. And many times it is also cost effective, because to run a computer 24/7, it can be costly. And if you have a reliable VPS, you can get it like for $15 to $30 per month, and that is not a high price, because this way you don't have to keep your computer running all day, and it is beneficial for your trading. I hope you found this video useful. See you in the next one. Ciao.